Okay, I'm in Paris in a hotel, and I don't know if you heard about Paris and about bed bugs, but they're very concerned there are bed bugs.
Like a bedbug infestation sweeping through Paris and anxiety quickly rising. Viral videos like these causing sleepless nights.
For the Parisians in our daily life.
Paris is a global destination with millions visiting from across the world. While it's a national crisis in France.
But I put my clothes up in the closet away from any potential beddy bugs, and then we'll see. So I want to know, do we have bed bugs here in Paris? Like everybody was talking about it just a few months ago. But here we go. So far so good. What we'll do is we'll get to how you work it. Okay, let's see. You peel back to check for bed bugs. So far so good. We'll put them on the other side of the bed too. I mean, it's obviously very concerned for a lot of people. The Olympics are going to be here in a very short few months. Right now you see there's clean and clear because it's brand new, but we'll put underneath right there. Once long ago I had bed bugs, but let me tell you something. Isn't that funny? Imagine that. Bed bugs, I'm immune. They did not bite me, did not scratch me, didn't do anything. I won't tell who in my family they did bite, but they didn't bite me. Woohoo! If I do have bed bugs, which I'm sure I don't, but if I do, should I tell them? You might want to work on it because the Olympics are coming and we don't have an Olympics bed bug races. That's for sure. So here we go. I'll check on them tomorrow morning and the next morning and the next morning.
One country currently suffering from a bed bug outbreak is France. With the Paris Olympics less than a year away, authorities have declared war on the parasites.
But right now, before I go, I have to check the bed for bed bugs. So here we go. Let's look. Any bed bugs? Better be thinking. Oh no! Here we go. Let's get a look. Bonjour, you better not bring any more bed bugs here. There are no bed bugs. You people, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to come to France, especially Paris. No bed bugs. Like I told you, bed bug trap. But I'll tell the rest of the story later. I gotta get on a plane. I don't think Delta has any bed bugs either.
And you can find bed bugs wherever you travel nowadays, as they are more and more resistant to insecticides. It's not something we should be overly concerned about. Bugs are there and they will continue to be there tomorrow. Clearly, coming to Paris, there are way more chances for you to see rats than to meet a bed bug.
Hear that? Did he say rats?